I wanted to give you guys just a quick update on how things are going in my Animal Crossing game. I know that the game is finally available in many places now, and that's good because I know you guys will all enjoy it because it's so much fun. And I've been trying my best to play every day, but some nights it's a little tricky. I know my daughter kind of has been caught up in some books lately and hasn't had a chance to keep up with hers, and so the usual kind of thing happened where some cockroaches took over her house and her hair got all kind of funky. We had to kind of clean her up after that, but just kind of a brief showing of what's going on here. I believe this lamp was a gift for this month, and then last month's gift I think was, I don't need to sit down here, this rainbow cloud that I got, and I've been just kind of collecting this stripe series here just for fun, but I've been mainly kind of focusing on the new department store and all the new clothes that you can buy there and stuff. You can see there's some mannequins here with some fancy little outfits on from there. So I'll take you guys into town and let you see how things are looking. There's been a few people who've left, a few new people who moved in. There's some people who will just move in randomly, and then some people who, if you talk to them at the campsite, they'll, if you win a challenge with them or something, they might make the decision to move into your town. Now, it's raining here today, so I apologize that it's not a very good day to walk around. It is, summertime now, and so the beetles and cicadas are out, so you don't necessarily have to go to the island to get a lot of money from that. If you, I used to always go to the island to get all my money there, but and I've added a few things to the town, but not too many things. One of the big new additions was this police station over here. So we added that, and then I have a few people requesting to get a Sphinx, so I guess I'll have to do that next. But I'm right in the middle of updating actually the town hall, and there's a little guy in here then that you pay, and he'll make your town hall cooler. And there's like 3 choices. There's a more traditional Japanese style one that kind of looks like the Taj Mahal, and then a really modern looking one. So you can see the Haniwa here. You just give him the money, and then slowly everything will be finished. So that was kind of cool. And in town, the department store did its big final upgrade, and I don't know if I showed you guys that or not the last time. Before I go over there, I'll show you guys what I have over here really quick though. One of the neat things with the new upgrade of the largest department stores that you can buy bamboo. And you might also find some bamboo growing just naturally too. So this all is kind of what's been kind of expanding slowly over time. And if you get all the bamboo growing, then sometimes there'll be things that you can dig out of the ground, and those are the little baby bamboo, which we consider a delicacy here in Japan, and put them in soups and stuff. So so that's kind of like a fruit tree, but a little different in the way that you get stuff, I suppose. But my bamboo garden over there in the corner has really gotten out of control. There's a whole bunch of it now. I'm going to have to clean it up because it looks a little crazy. But I'll show you guys just really quick here how the department store looks. Now the big department store update has 3 floors to it, I suppose. And you can see it here. And you have the gardening section down at the bottom, and that's where you can also buy music, and you can do the fortune cookie challenge and all those kinds of things. But yeah, this is where I was able to get some unique fruits. You can get this persimmon or kaki, so that was kind of cool. And then on the second floor is where you'll find just the regular, furniture that you're used to finding, of course. And you got these little dudes here doing their job. So here we can get up to 5 different items, plus 2 wall items. There's one on each wall here, one over here, and then one over the other side too. So those are all the things you can get, and then 2 wallpapers and 2 carpets to choose from as well. And then up at the top floor is where Gracie lives now, and she's got all of her furniture and also clothes that are available for sale here. I've bought pretty much all of the clothes that are available, and in terms of furniture, this is her personal style of furniture, this one with the circles and the blue background. And then I also bought the princess one a while ago, and I'm curious because I thought maybe it would change with each month, but we're in July now and it's still that Gracie design, and I don't know if it's because I haven't bought everything and then I have to buy everything or I can't move on. I hope that's not the case. That would involve a lot of money. But I know in the old games she had at least 3 or 4 different variations of furniture designs. I like the gingerbread, like cookie style one, and the really fancy ornate black and gold. I think it's called like a gorgeous design. And then this one that you just saw, and then the princess one, which I have everything of. So I'll have to experiment with it and see. I suppose I'd have to buy every single piece though to finally allow the new one to be available, which might be kind of a pain. So, but I hope you guys are all having a lot of fun playing. I know this is a great game, and there's just so many fun things to do. I'd be curious to hear, what kinds of things you guys have. We had a little celebration for Tanabata, or the Star Festival, on the 7th of July because we're here in Japan. Yeah, let me show you guys just the princess stuff over here. This is all the princess things that she had for sale there, and then this special little princess outfit that I bought there too. And then some carnations that I had from Mother's Day and then Father's Day too, so I have those here as well. But so yeah, that's kind of just one of the things from Gracie's place. So I'd be curious to see what you guys have, if you have any country-specific things going on, For us here, of course, we have a few things for Japanese holidays that I don't think maybe necessarily you guys get to enjoy